En 2008, j'ai créé avec deux amis l'association Planète Albert Kahn parce que je trouvais que c'était un homme qui avait donné de l'argent pour constituer un patrimoine photographique et maintenant aussi cinématographique dans un but très humaniste qui était de faire comprendre que si les peuples avaient une meilleure compréhension de leur culture, ils se feraient moins la guerre. Et pour intensifier la connaissance d'Albert Kahn, je me suis dit ce ne serait pas une mauvaise idée que de créer un prix Albert Kahn pour la photographie. Donc la première année, on l'a donné à Raymond Depardon, la seconde année à Marc Ribou, et cette année, on a un photographe magnifique qui est Stanley Green, quoi. Il porte un petit peu la légende de Capa, je trouve.
I'm just a photographer. I mean, that's all, you know. I mean, Jimmy Page is just a guitar, but much more. But that's what he says. He says, I'm just a guitar player and I love what I do. I was like, being in Berlin was a bit of a, you know, shooting fashion and rock, you know. To be in Berlin was kind of special because there you are watching history and in a moment, split second, click clack Kodak, you're making history. Who was to think that I would go to places like Chechnya or Rwanda or, you know, cover conflicts, but yeah, it was a big change. And I think that Chechnya really taught me to understand war, and it really made me appreciate and understand Robert Capa, what he did with the Spanish Civil War.
C'est vrai que cette année, ça s'internationalise, le prix, grâce à Stanley. C'est pour ça qu'on est très fiers d'avoir Madame Suzanne Tolson, l'épouse de l'ambassadeur des États-Unis d'Amérique, qui vient remettre le prix, ce qui est quand même pas rien.
À présent, cher Stanley Green, j'ai l'honneur de vous remettre le prix international Planète Albert Kahn 2010.
To be quite honest, and I apologize to France, I knew nothing of this prize. I mean, it was like, Daphne called me up and says, oh, you've just won this prize, and I went, what? You know, and I felt really embarrassed, but then I looked it up and I realized that this was a very important individual and that this prize was very prestigious. Yeah, it's a great honor. And then to see that Depardon and Marc Ribot had won it before, I was really touched even more by that.
L'année prochaine, très probablement deux prix et un tournant pour ouvrir ce prix à la photo animée comme à la photo fixe, qui est en train de se faire d'une certaine manière avec la conjonction des deux mondes par les réflexes et ainsi de suite, quoi. Donc c'est tout à fait dans la logique de ce qui doit arriver. Voilà.
You know, I see another 20 years if I'm lucky enough, but I didn't want to be seen like, okay, he's done this work and now he's ready to go sit in a rocking chair, you know, and no, I can't do that. I mean, I'll go crazy. Now it's time to go back and do what you do, and that's take pictures. So for me, you know, it's great. So like next month, the beginning of the new year, I start my project. Everything is in place. All the contacts are made. The money was found, and now I start it. And it's going to be shot in black and white film. And I just played with an idea recently to bring in some digital, to use the digital like a snapshot, sort of like a visual diary of the process of doing this story. So, and I'm even thinking of bringing some sound into it, and to have it printed. It'll be printed in Geo, and Jean-Francois Loa of Visa Fermage has been so kind to say, well, I'd like to show this. And I said, fine, but I got to shoot it first.